version of me. If you don't like my features, then don't shake my tree. But that was years ago, before I had a spring in my step, before I met Christ. My life was full of regrets. But am I changed? Well, in a word, yes. I thought that Christ had told him my life was a mess. He gave me faith, hope, and love, and told me to follow him. He reached down and freed me from my sad shackles of sin. So now I'm saved. I'm no longer tossing the wind. I have a ticket to heaven because of Jesus I win. So if you're out of control and your life is a wreck, then look to Jesus and you can have a spring in your step. I've got a spring in my step.